Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the June Boxycharm unboxing, and it has been a while since I've been here. I will let you guys know exactly where I've been and why I haven't been here. My nails are super long. Hey. Okay. Anyway, we're going to jump right in. I don't have anything on my face yet because I know that I'm getting a primer in this box. So, thought we'd just go ahead and do the whole shebang. Alright, so I open it up, and of course here is the little card that comes in it that tells you all the products and the prices. So, and like I said, the first thing that I have is No Problem Prime Essence Touch and Soul, which is, I have another primer by them that I got in the Boxycharm, which I like it. It feels more like a moisturizer to me, but it says smooth and pore covering. Listen, ain't none of these primers cover my pores, okay? But we'll give it a shot. Let's see. This retails for $23. And this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Second thing I have in the box is, let's see, it looks like a lip liner, Dirty Little Secret. The name of the cosmetics brand, it's in the color Rosy Posy. So I guess that's the color. Let me see, that retails for, it's Dirty Little Secret lip liner. Retails for $15, and this is the full size. Is a Tarte, looks like an eyeshadow palette. It's High Performance Naturals. I think this is like the palette that I've got from Tarte before in one of my Boxycharms. And that is what it looks like. It's just natural colors, mostly like browns and neutrals. So this would be perfect if you want to just do like a natural, quick makeup look and head out. This is the full size for this palette, and it retails for $36. Next thing, I'm kind of excited to try. It's by Dominique Cosmetics, and Dominique is a YouTuber. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her, but she's been around for a while, and I've heard good things about her brand. I've actually not tried anything. So this is a lip gloss, and it is Lemonade Lip Gloss. It retails for $17, and it is full size. So, let's see what kind of applicator it's got. Yep, it's got the nice little doe foot applicator. Smells good. It's not too fragrancy, which I like. Alright, and the last thing I've got in here I'm kind of excited about. I got the st.tropez Natural Looking Tan Self Tanner, and it came with a little mitt. So, I don't know. I think they offer this in different sizes, so I don't think this is the biggest size that you can get, but I'm not sure. But this size retails for $24.50. So, I'm excited to try this because, as you can see, I'm very pale. I had a spray tan a few weeks ago, and it lasted for about 8-9 days. But it was kind of my own fault because I didn't exfoliate really good before I went to get it. I had to go to a wedding. And I'll definitely try it out again because they were having a special. It's like $20 for it, and it's normally like $32. I don't know what it is in your area, but... Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I guess I'm going to use is going to be the primer. The Touch and Soul primer. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. It's very liquidy. Okay. It smells... I can smell a little bit of a fragrance in there, but it's not overwhelming. I don't like fragranced. I don't like things that are too fragranced, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's more tacky feeling than the other primer that I have by this brand. Alright, so the foundation I'm going to use today is this Healthy Elixir by CoverGirl. I'm just going to put that on my brush. Just one pump because I don't want to do a crazy full face. Basically just going to try this stuff out. So, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've got my foundation on, the concealer. I did my eyebrows because they were out of control. So, I went ahead and just did that. Yeah, you're probably wondering what happened here. I was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I just decided to go dark. I don't know if I'll keep it dark because I really do like my hair blonde. I think I look better. But the blonde is so high maintenance, and really sick last week and the week before that. I got a really bad upper respiratory infection. I also had bronchitis, and I was out of work for a while and so sick. And then I also started doing iron infusions because I've been really anemic. So I just thought for right now, it'd just be easier to just do brown, which is my natural color. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to try out is going to be this eyeshadow palette by Tarte. And as I showed you before, it's all like natural colors. So we'll just go ahead and do a natural look. I'm going to grab a blending brush. And I'm going to go in with this first shade here. It doesn't matter. It's like a warm toned brown. I'm just going to start off going the crease here. You guys know how we do. I'm going to go into this darker brown. This is a little bit of a smaller brush. It's a Morphe M502. If you've been watching my channel, which I think I have like 60 subscribers, so woo! Girl, I got a lot of people. But anyway, if you watch my channel, you know that I'm all about this blending brush here. It's probably my favorite. Other than my foundation brush, I really love it too. I really like this palette. It's perfect for, you know, just doing a really everyday, natural, quick look. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here to do my lid. Just going to take it on a flat shader brush. And I'm not going to use the setting spray today. I'm just going to put this on. Just a nice little natural shimmery pop of color. Nothing crazy. Okay. Now I'm going to do under the eye, and I'm going to take this darkest shade that I used, and I'm going to go in with a really, really flat shader brush. And get as close to the lash line as I can. I'm just going to go part way over. Woo! Just realized how bright that was. Sorry. I'm right in front of this window, so it gets a little too bright. It makes me look white sometimes, so again, I'm just going halfway over. Then I'm going to take another shader brush, just a little bit thicker, and I'm going to go in with that first brown shade that I used for my crease and use that to blend out this darker brown, just to smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm going to take a really tiny flat brush, kind of like a shader brush. I'm going to go into that Sunbeam color again. This one here. Same one I use for my lids. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it in the inner corner on the bottom here. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. The only thing I have left to do, I'm going to put a little mascara on, and then I'll come back, and I'm also going to go ahead and do some blush because the box didn't come with blush. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then all we have left is lips, and then I'll come back and tell you what I think about the box. Okay, I'm back. You guys just, I'm so glad that I can edit certain things out because I just spent at least 15 minutes trying to get that little plastic wrap off of this. And then after all that, I jacked up the tip and had to resharpen it. So, it's okay. Thank you for the edit. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my eyes with mascara. And I also bronzed my face up just a little bit, obviously, because I'm still pale. And I also did blush. So now the only thing left is to do this little lip combo that came in the Boxycharm. I feel like I've been filming this for at least an hour, mainly because it took me 15 minutes to get this open. Alright, and I still jack the tip up, so I like the color. I like this lip liner so far. It goes on really smooth. Okay, so there's the lip liner by itself. So far I really like it. Arr! Okay, so now that I have the lip liner on, I'm going to go ahead and try the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. It is in the shade Peach Tea. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. It looks nice. It went on great. Feels good. It doesn't have like any gritty particles in it. I hate lip glosses that have a ton of glitter in it, and when you put them on your lips, it's so gritty it feels like an exfoliator. I absolutely hate those. I do have a gloss that is like that. I'm not gonna say anything bad about the brand because I actually like most of the stuff that I've gotten from them, but there is a lip gloss that is a beautiful color, but it's so gritty, I can't stand it. So I don't know if any of you guys feel the same way or if you can tolerate it. Do you? Okay, so a quick rundown of the products on the card here. The Tarte eyeshadow palette, again, is $36. The box is $21 a month, so you've already paid for it with this. The Touch and Soul Primer, which is, let's see, $23. That's also more than the cost of the box. The lip gloss is $17. The classic bronzing mousse from St.Tropez is $24.50. I do think they have other sizes, like bigger sizes, but that one is that's the price of this size. Is it overpriced? It might be. I don't know. It's 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. So you don't get a whole lot of product. But I've heard that this works really well. So I'll definitely try it out and let you guys know. Let's see. And the Dirty Little Secret lip liner was $15. So if you add all that up, this box was really a good fair price, I think. $21 a month for that, and then you get all those good products. Okay, everybody, that is going to do it for this Boxycharm video. Sorry that I've been absent for so long. Like I said, just being super sick, super anemic, no energy. It's just been really rough past couple of weeks. So, alright, everybody, so that is going to do it for me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next video. And hopefully it won't be so long for my next upload. And also, since it is Father's Day, happy Father's Day to all the wonderful dads out there, mine included. Also my fiance, who is a wonderful dad and partner. So thank you guys again, and I hope you have a wonderful day. What that? Who that? Ooh, I'm pale. Why do I sound like Barry White? Oh.